say, cover the whole meaning of the genocide will be a children's meal to see that whoever is preparing a genocide, the big intention is to help out.
Today we visited Kigali Genocide Memorial, and our major purpose for the visit is to make sure that young people know what exactly happened without being misled, especially with the influence of the social media and so on. So people have been misled, especially in our past. It was this young generation of young people who were actually introduced into the system of massive killings, and they ended up joining the group because of being misled.
I had a good experience today learning about the background of Rwanda and what people went through. It was a sad experience as well, but it made me learn things that we should all be as one, we should have unity. And basically it was a sad experience also because people lost their families, and seeing what young children had to go through because they were just from a certain tribe. It was sad, but it made me learn a lot of things.